Hello, and we are back from the wintry Orlando, back to the happy, sunny, warm, well, it's not very sunny today, but it's definitely warm here in South Florida. We had a great time in Disney. You can go check out my Disney videos if you want to see what we did. And what we're here to talk about gardening. So the first thing that I did when we got back on Thursday was run to see how everything was. So let's look and see. Yeah, so it's Thursday. I just got home from Disney. I mean, like an hour ago, not even. So, grabbing my camera, and I wanted to see what happened when I didn't touch anything for 4 days. Look at the tomatoes. Oh, they look wonderful. Oh, they look really great. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, now the pumpkins don't look so good. Pumpkins don't look so good. Okay, so most of the plant is gone. And I'm still seeing male flowers, no female flowers. Nothing here, nothing there. Now I did soak these before I left, but I don't think it's rained at all while we were gone. That would have been 4 days. Yeah, nothing. There's the cauliflower. Kind of looks the same, didn't really do anything. So, that might be it. The end of the pumpkins, I'm afraid. It looks like. So. Oh well. Pumpkins for no one. Alright, but take a look at this. The bucket of love looks luscious and gorgeous without me out here taking, 5, 6, 7, 10 leaves off a day. It looks really nice, so I'm going to have to take advantage of that and dry some of that. Look at the potatoes. Look at the flowers. This plant here came up. The plant down over here came up. All within the past couple of days. Here's one here that just broke the dirt. Here's another one here that just broke the dirt. So, interesting, these are growing at different stages. So I don't know how I'll harvest that, whether I'll let this one big and just stay in the ground and try to harvest it all at once, or whether I'll try to just pull that plant out. I don't know, we'll have to see. Carrots survived. Now this is doing something different. The leaves are turning and they're curling into themselves a little more, so I don't know what that means. I need to Google some stuff on cabbage. Kale. Oh, this little tomato, beefsteak, this was the beefsteak tomato? No, this was the pepper. This was the sweet pepper, so get some water in that, but it survived. Celery looks good. The pepper, this pepper fell off. This pepper didn't really do anything, and this pepper is not really going to do anything. So the peppers, I think, are done. And the broccoli, I'll harvest some of this tomorrow. Oh, bunny, that was a little bunny. That must have been a bunny. Look at the little bunny. Boop, boop, where'd you go? Oh, he's got a little cave down there. Anyway, okay, and the tomatoes, still not red on the Romas. Still not turning color, but look at all of the luscious red ones I got to go pick now. And my battery's dying because I didn't take my charger with me on the trip. So I'll talk to you guys in a few days. Alright, so I haven't done much since then other than spend about an hour and a half yesterday watering all of the plants. And today I went ahead and took care of some of those special little things that were growing in our experiment jug. But let's just take a quick look here. Again, it's been a couple days to see what's going on. The tomatoes are looking nice and lush. Now I look at this and I say, okay, that's a tomato plant. Hold on to that thought. But right now we're going to look at the fact that, yes, I do believe we will have no pumpkins for anyone. Even since I got home and watered these all yesterday, the rest of the flowers that were on there have died. There's a very few little flowers that are remaining that they're going to open, but I'm really not expecting anything else from the pumpkins. So, unfortunately, that's what happened. The bucket of love is very strong. The potato plants, look at them go. They just get, I'm really amazed at how fast fast these things grow, to be honest with you. Just amazing. The carrots are nowhere near ready yet. I did peek. The cabbage, after seeing what I experienced with the cauliflower and the broccoli, not expecting too much for them. Plus, I think I may have planted one or two too many in this pot. One plant takes up a lot of root space, evidently. That's what I learned. And I'm going to probably start picking some of this lettuce and kale out of here earlier rather than later, because I, again, just got another soaking wet container of lettuce from the store. Okay, so here were the little pepper plants. This was the one that I kind of saved before I left. And isn't that funny how they look just like the tomato plants, was my point that I was going to make a minute ago. And so what I did was, this was growing as a group, so I just kind of left it as a chunk. But I went ahead and planted them in here to hopefully get them to grow a little bit stronger. That way, in case I do have some massive storms, I can pick these up and take them into the shed for the night. And the eggplant is probably, I think, halfway there when I looked at the dates of how long that is to take. I haven't decided what we're going to do with the peppers yet, whether we're going to cut those down and let them regrow or just let it grow from there. But look at these little guys. Look how cute this little vertical garden is doing. They're very strong, growing straight up. So I'm excited about that. Still haven't decided what we're going to put in the empty pots. I did take the rest of the broccoli that I said I was going to take, so now we just have these little guys here coming up, and then this one that was too much slower than the rest. And lots of little red cherry tomatoes that I have picked. And look at this little bunch here. I can't wait till all those go back. Won't that be fun? And the Romas are just taking their time turning. Still waiting for this one to start turning. That was the first one that kind of came out. So that's it for this week's update. Nice, quick, and short. I hope you all had a fabulous new year. And we will see you next weekend.